Hi everyone, I'm April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. My new sewing room is almost complete. I am waiting for just a few more things. I thought they were going to be done a little sooner, but they should be done by the end of this week. In another week, I'll be back full force with lots of fun videos. I'm going to give you one more quick sneak peek, and then the next video that you're probably going to see from me is going to be a complete reveal of my new sewing room. The room itself is done. I just have to hang up a few more little pieces. I will show you one little area though. This is my long arm area, and this area is about complete. Everything's set up and ready to go. I can't wait to start making all the videos from up here. Stay tuned and I'll see you right after Labor Day. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Bye. Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.